Omolo kanyo sapare wange General Markala TV weche manyien mago mag podho chieng' kowuok weche mago mamoko mamulo mago mag somo ayudo kanyo ni japuonjre Belsheba Okumu Otieno mano ma bende ne otimo kanyo penjo mar KCSE higa 2023 to ne oluonge sikund kata e mbalariany mano ma Kenyatta.
Gavana noyie mokawo ting'ne ni onyalo chung'ne ochulne fio puonje motieki kendo wachni nomorowa kabisa. Aduoko erokamano mathoth.
An nyinga Belsheba.
Ndio ma ong'ere gi nying mar Kevin Reuters. Anwang'o thuolo to nakawo nyathine madhi godo ir gavana marwa Honorable Gladys Wanga. Napimo ne stoch nyathine tasiemone kama wuon go bedo kod wheelchair. Naneno kodonjone kabisa.
Uchumi kaachiel kod wechego mago mag wuoth. Nyasi maket koda ma ne oyuor koda ka gavana mano ma kaunti ma Kisumu moluor Ngire Peter Anyang' Nyong'o.
It's going to become a city. There is so much
moving through this line. What kind of business are we going to do? We have identified some economic zones or some economic hubs in Narok. And the county is developing theirs as well. But important
shingo na wakarusha. Jirani mmoja ndiye alikuja akanipigia simu saa 4. Mtoto wangu ameuawa na ametupwa ndani ya choo. Na
kuvunjwa. Tumefuatia hiyo maneno madai mpaka tukapata mshukiwa ambaye anaitwa Frederick Ligongono ambaye tuliweza kumshika jana. Wito wangu ni kwa wazazi wasingatie malezi mazuri kwa watoto na wafuatie jinsi watoto wanaishi ili tu avoid mambo mingi sababu
in Malaba we clear 1,500 to 2,000 people who pass through the border. We have around 800 international travelers in a day, and around 700 the local travelers. And therefore, out of this,
by ensuring that whoever comes to the country is properly screened, and that we protect our healthcare workers, especially at this border point, so that whenever they come in contact with the people who are